Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix find my iPhone grayed out problem in iPhone. So guys, when you try to turn off find my iPhone from your Apple ID in your iPhone or in your iPad and you are facing this issue that you are unable to find or turn off find my iPhone and your find my iPhone is grayed out. So guys, you can easily fix it. First of all guys, you need to go back. So guys, after going to back, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, click on general and check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After this go back. From here set your date and time on automatically, and now you need to check for software update and you need to update your device to latest iOS version. And now you need to go back. After this you need to scroll it below. From here you need to find screen time, click on it, and after this click on content and privacy restrictions, and you need to turn it off and you need to remove all the restrictions if you have enabled on your iPhone. And after this go back. So guys, after doing all these settings, simply you have to scroll it down, and here you can see the option of face ID and passcode. You have to open this feature, and now you need to scroll it down. And guys, now you can see here the option of stolen device protection. You have to click on it, and guys, firstly you have to turn it off. So guys, when you have turned off your stolen device protection, then guys you can be able to turn off your find my iPhone from your Apple ID or from anywhere. So guys, this is the only way to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.